Why do 90% of traders love candlesticks? Let's find out. All right, picture this. Each candlestick is like a tiny storybook over a set period of time. It could be a day or 4 hours or 15 minutes. The open is the price when the candle starts. The close is the price when the candle ends. But wait, there's more. The highest point is the high, and the lowest point is, you guessed it, the low. The thin lines poking out, those are the wicks or shadows. If the candle body is green, the price went up. If it's red, well, you might need a hug as the price went down. Remember, each candlestick is a snapshot of price action over a set time. Think of them like the mood rings of the trading world. Now go crush those trades, and may all your candles be green.